Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sell on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to need a couple of different modules. So while you're setting up your database or after you've set it up, you need to install a couple of different modules. One is the point of sale module, which is going to regulate all your sales, all your products, and your payment methods and everything of the sort, and the website module, which you're going to need to set up your digital storefront. I would also recommend inventory in case you're using or selling physical products, and I do recommend accounting for all purposes so that you can make your life easier while accounting. If you're manufacturing your own products, you should go and install manufacturing as well, but in this case I'm just going to cover point of sale and mention website briefly. Now you're going to go into point of sale once you've installed it, and the first thing you're going to do if you want to sell is you need to go into products and set up your product. You can click on new to create a new product, and you can choose a couple of product types such as goods, services, or a combo of the two, and you can set this up in sales and point of sale as well, so just select whichever you want. I will set this up as a good or a physical product. I'll track the inventory. The quantity on hand is going to be, for example, 250. I'm going to set the sales price at 50, and I'm going to set the cost at 25. You can set up the sales taxes and purchase taxes here. You can set up categories. So for example, I'll just do it as goods. Reference can be empty and barcode can be empty, but you can fill them out in case you want to. And then you can set up other sales and product information right over here, such as accounting information, inventory, point of sale information, and sales. And once you've set up your product, and make sure to name it, so I'll just name it test 4 because I'm not sure what number I'm on currently. Click save over here, and now we have our product. Now if I go back into point of sale and go into products, you'll see, there we go, test 4. I have that product on hand right over there. And you should also do a couple of different things. Should go into configuration, set up your payment methods so that your customers have a way to pay you. And once you've set everything up, go to website, and here you can set up your online storefront. Now I won't be setting up anything because it'll take too much time, but pretty much just click on edit or click new if you want to create a new page, and click on edit and add the blocks that's needed. This is pretty simple, very similar to Wix or Squarespace or any online site builders like that. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.